Right, Mr. Kane, so we just fitted a bridge for yourself. Previously, you came to us, you had this denture, this plastic denture that you used to wear.
Yeah.
Do you want to just tell us a bit about how you found the denture and...
How I found it, I had it for a number of years, never really got used to wearing it, never enjoyed wearing it. I was always aware of the large plastic thing in my mouth. And then it fits at first, it fits very well, but then gradually things change and it starts to feel a bit more loose, and then you have to start using the fixative, and it just becomes, I didn't like it, to be honest.
Right. So we've put some implants in and we've made a bridge now, so you don't have to wear the denture again. Just going to give you a mirror and let you have a look at it now that we just fitted it.
Right.
And just tell us what you think.
Okay. Wow. It's like, they look like the teeth I lost when I was 7, basically. So I've spent my whole life without these teeth, one way or another, and it's made such a huge impact on my life, and I can't quite believe this. It's remarkable. Thank you.
That's great. How did you find the procedure itself?
The procedure was okay, really. It was only one, when you did the main work, one long appointment, and I read a book on self-hypnosis and meditation before I came, and I used some of that while you were doing it, and it was, I don't know how long, was it an hour or 2 hours?
Yeah, it took about just over an hour, I think.
And the time just went by, and it was really not too bad.
Is it something that you recommend to others?
I would, definitely. Yes, I would definitely recommend it. It feels like the whole procedure seems to take a long time from start to finish. It's been a few months, but then things have to heal and what have you. But the proof is in the pudding is in the eating, so to speak, and not having to live with the denture and everything that the denture entails is what I'm looking forward to, and just having some confidence back will be a major thing, really major thing.
Thank you.
So, thank you.